on educating yourself. So it kind of follows on from time blocking. So how do you use your time? How do you choose to use your time? And how do you fuel yourself? And we can use time in so many different ways, and we've all got the same 168 hours in our week. And it is just a question of priority.
If, like me, you've got a long commute, so I do about an hour each way in the car every day, one of the things that you should definitely do is make use of that time better than just listening to music. So I would fully recommend signing up to Audible. I probably listen to about 40 audiobooks every single year. And I work my way up so that I'm averaging now listening to everything at about 1.5 speed. You can do that on the options. If you haven't got an audio subscription, definitely just sign up. You do it through Amazon. It's about £8 a month. Not too bad, and for that you get 1 credit that you can spend on anything you want.
So what audios, what podcasts can you listen to? Is it something that is in property that's going to develop your your technical ability and knowledge in that area, or is it something that's just going to keep your mindset strong and resilient in this entrepreneurial journey? And again, when it comes to TV, we all like to sit and watch some TV, and sometimes it is great to sit and watch something mundane, I'm not going to lie, because we do need to switch off sometimes. However, there's some really great motivational documentaries that again aren't always in your field but will still uplift and bring you up. Or, we all know that there's so many housing programs on TV that again you can inadvertently educate yourself while kind of sat there, I suppose, using that time. And again, reading. We read most days. We read different things. We might read a book to distract ourselves because we've had a busy day committing to our plans, our visions and our dreams. Or it could be that the very, very simple but straightforward technique is committing to yourself to read a chapter or 10 pages. You set your parameter of reading a book each day. And again, choose. Is that in the morning? Is that through the day? Or is that in the evening? So I know personally that if I'm reading from an educational perspective, then I need to be doing it in the morning or the day. The evening doesn't work for me. And I've learned that over time. So have a think. How can you fuel and educate yourself in time that you would sometimes maybe not be doing tons? So use that time wisely and think about what your priorities are. So educate yourself. Tip number 2.
Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode for more tips.